welcome back to my channel. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. What? I say I'm back, and I'm better. If you guys are new to my channel today, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Edwina Dorba and welcome to Dwayne's World. As you guys can tell from the title of the video, today I'm going to be doing a wig install, a review, and basically just showing you guys how I put my hair on. I'm pretty new to this. I am not the best at doing wigs. If you're a professional, go ahead and drop some tips down below. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and join the I'm Back and Better squad. You guys can also go ahead and check out my other social platforms right here on the screen. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, the list goes on. Before we get into this video today, check out this hair. Look at how cute this is. I love the highlight effect that's going on in this hair. It's a full lace. I'm loving it. It's a Malaysian hair and it looks so good. But yeah, let's get right into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a glueless install, and today's wig that I have is from MyFirstWig. It's their highlight blonde middle part, blunt cut, Yankee straight glueless lace front wig. So this wig can be glueless if you wanted it to be. You can take it off whenever you want to, or you can use a spray or hair glue to install this wig. I'm gonna try and see what the hair looks like without the hairspray, and if it's gonna come off, because obviously it's glueless, then I'm gonna go ahead and use a spray if I want it in for a longer term, like if I want it in for a couple of days. It's 100% Malaysian human hair, and also it's 130% density. So it's not a lot of density. It's not 200 density, it's 130% density. And basically this is like a protective wig hairstyle for like beginners who wants to do like a wig install, or if this is something that you're interested in. If you're a wig company out there want to work with me, hit your girl up. What the wig look like without being styled or glued down. Obviously you're gonna need this wig glued down even though it is glueless. I think I did a video previously and people was asking me like, why did you glue the hair down if it's glueless? Just because a wig is glueless does not mean you can't spray it down to like give it that like natural look and texture. This is what the wig look like without the glue, and I just have the elastic band adjusted. Like I can move the hair back and forth, side to side, up and down. It's not gonna move, but in the front of the wig, it just looks like a wig. And obviously, like literally this hair is on, like, you see, it's on. But I want the hair to like look like my own hair. And in order to get that look and to like make this flatten, I actually have to go ahead and spray the lace down just to give me that melt, to give my face a look. Get rid of the lace that's lifting, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the lace down, and then I'll be back once the lace is sprayed down and glued down, okay? guys, let's get right into this hair. I love this hair. I love the highlights that's in it. I love the fact it's 130% density. Malaysian hair, I'm not the type of person who love big hair. I know the less the density, the more hair falls out, but for some reason this hair, I brushed it, I combed it, I've layered it. It looks so good. I'm in love with this hair. You guys can definitely go ahead and check out the link for this hair. It's going to be in my description box below. But your girl is slaying because it's just so versatile. I can go ahead and leave it like this to slay. I can take the hair and basically like put the hair up if I wanted to. If I wanted to slay this hair upwards and I was done with that side part, this will be perfect. I can definitely do this look too. So yeah, I can do like a half up, half down if I wanted a look like that. So cute. Comment down below if you really like this video because I really like this hair. And basically, if you're a wig company out there, go ahead and reach out to your girl. My email is in my bio. It's gonna be linked in the description box below. I just love this hair. It's so soft. I was trying to figure out what I want to do with it. And then doing a side part. I think my look is a side part. Like every single time I do a wig, a side part always eats. For some reason, like middle part looks good, but like side parts always eat whenever I do it. But anyways, yeah, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and join our I'm Back and Better squad. I post twice a week, every Sundays and Wednesdays on my channel. Don't forget to go ahead and check out all my social platforms. They're going to be linked right here on the screen or in the description box below. I love you guys. Stay safe. And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely go ahead and comment down below. Share with your friends and families. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love ya!